So today we are preparing healthy pudding. So first you have to take a pan. Just dry roast the makhana. If you want, you can add half tablespoon of ghee, but here I am doing without ghee. Just dry roast them for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Just we want to crisp this because you can see this is very soft. So I want to make them crispy. This is very healthy dessert. Whoever are having the sweet cravings, they can have this. This can made with the home ingredients itself. There is no fancy item in this. So after 3 minutes, you can see the makhana has changed its color also. They are very crispy in taste, in texture. So now off the flame, take a blender, add egg yolk. For sweetness, add jaggery, add choco chips, add cocoa powder, and add our makhana. Blend into a fine paste. Now transfer to the bowls. Now refrigerate this for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, the pudding is ready. You can see this is very, you can see. The pudding is completely ready. Just decorate with some walnuts. If you want, you can add kismis, badam, anything. Whatever the dry fruits you like, you can add them. Just I'm adding the walnuts.